RPMs waste more fuel. Look here. This parked car's RPM is nearly 1,000. When new, it idled around 800 RPM. Fuel economy dropped from 5 or 6 to 10 mpg. Know why? It's because the throttle body got dirty. Many rushed to repair shops when hearing this. Silly, as repairs cost hundreds nowadays. I'll show you a $2 DIY fix today. This is the throttle body, under the airbox. First, let's remove the airbox. Easy, no tools needed. Just lift it off. This is the throttle body valve. Oh my, look how dirty it is. A dirty throttle affects air and fuel flow. Now let's clean it. Start the car, use a brick on the gas pedal. This opens the throttle valve automatically. Spray cleaner on a cloth. Wipe off all the grime around the throttle. Wow, it's filthy. Okay, it's clean now. Remove the brick, replace the airbox. No tools needed for this either. Just press it down with your hand. Now I'll start it to check the RPM. If it drops, give this video a like. Let's see the magic. Brake, then start. It's dropping, see? Back to 800 revolutions per minute, like when it was new. See how simple that was? How's your blood pressure now?